What's up, y'all? My name is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Today we are going to be talking about this wig that I have in front of me. This is the VIPBeauty wig, Mongolian Kinky Curly. I got this from Amazon, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the specs, and then I'm going to show you me customizing the frontal, okay? It's gonna be a really quick video, you know, just a little look-see. If you guys wanna see that, stay tuned. But before we go, if you are a lover of all things beauty, if you like just being fabulous, you need to click the subscription button down below. I know that my glasses are like giving you a glare, but don't worry about that. Usually having my contacts, but I feel like putting them in today. I digress. If you want to be a part of this super exclusive glam fam, then you need to click the subscription button down below. Don't forget to turn on the notification bells. We got some good content coming up. We got some good content up already, and you don't want to miss it. So make sure you do that, and then stay tuned, and you will see all about this wig. What's up, y'all? Today we're going to be giving a quick little unboxing. Well, it's already been unboxed, but I'm gonna give you the specs for the wig that I bought that's going to be my birthday wig. So I want to say I'm making it a tradition to get a wig for my birthday and, you know, customize it and make it look nice. Since I did that last year, it was really fun, so I'm gonna do it again this year. Okay, so today I will present to you the, let me get the information. Okay, so this is the Mongolian Afro Kinky Curly wig from the VIPBeauty store on Amazon. It is 24 inches long and is this beautiful Mongolian Kinky Curly texture. So the curls are pretty tight right now, and they don't look like the picture, but they can get to the picture. The curls were separated and all that. So I tried to keep it as together for you as I could, so that y'all could see how it looked when it first came out. Then when I wash it and all that stuff, it'll be fine. So this is a 13x4 lace frontal. It comes with baby hairs. It says it's pre-plucked, but you see them knots? Them knots is strong. That hairline is brolic. So we will be doing some customization to this unit. I'm gonna see if I can get it done really well this time, because this is something that I always struggle with. So I'm gonna try my best to get it to look good. And you'll see that in a few seconds when I, you know, start doing it. Like I said, yeah, this is 24 inches. So it says it's 24 inches. It doesn't really look 24 inches, but maybe it'll look different once I put it on my head. Who knows? And once it's fluffed out and stuff. Because right now it looked like a cosplay wig. But, you know, I could work wonders. Well, I won't say that. It sounds like I'm not like a wig genius, but sometimes I can make it do what it do. And you know how I always say, where there's a will, there's a Duana. So even if it look crazy, we're gonna make it not look crazy, okay? Because I'm gonna be wearing this next Saturday for my birthday dinner. Anyway, it comes with baby hairs, but it's only like this little bit in the front. So I'm gonna keep those in to see if like I need to, you know, lay down baby hairs, because, you know, sometimes it helps the wig look a little bit more natural if you don't overdo it. But, you know, like I'm really excited to see how this wig turns out. So let's flip it on the inside so you can see what's happening. It has 4 combs. So one in the center, so it'll probably go somewhere back here. After the frontal, 2 on the sides, and then 1 on the back by the nape. It also has these adjustable bands so that you can make your wig as tight as you need to. I'm going to see if I need to put in an elastic band. I don't usually put elastic bands on my frontals because I don't know where to put them. So I just usually don't do that. But if I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos to see if I should do that, so I can make this glueless, so that every time I wear it, I don't have to glue it down, because that is annoying, girl. That is annoying. So far, so good. I'm excited to see what it looks like. I will be doing the wig customization on camera for you guys. This will be the video for that, and then you'll see me install it in my upcoming birthday video, which should be out on the 26th of October, which is my actual birthday. I will get this on the wig head and then we will try to get the customization and all that stuff going, okay? Okay, y'all, so we are starting to pluck the frontal. I am spraying down the frontal with some water so that I can just like brush it back and see what I'm working with. Like I said, this frontal is like super brolic, so we are going to be plucking the frontal to make it look a little bit more natural. I think this time it was a lot easier for me because I used really sharp tweezers. I used my ABH tweezers, like I never used them for anything, honestly, because I hate tweezing my eyebrows. So they're still very, very sharp from when I got them in PR like years ago. Anyway, I'm parting down the side and plucking that part that I separated. So I'm plucking some in the back and plucking some in the front. And as you can see, the front piece is getting thinner and thinner. I don't remember who I found this technique from, but it makes sense to me so that you're not just plucking the same side in the front. And you're actually getting a thinner frontal. So you see that? And then I'm just taking the hair that came out and throwing that away. So you see already it looks a lot different. And I'm going to do the same thing. I think I parted 2 times on each side and just began plucking the front. And not in the same spot either, like kind of like move the tweezers fairly quickly. So there it goes, there's that side, and then that's the other side, how it's original. You see the difference already. Now I'm just gonna do the same thing to the forehead part, and then the same thing to the other side. So that we get a nice thin but still full hairline. Alright y'all, now I'm picking up the Clairol BW2 lightening powder and a 40 volume developer, mixing it in my little bowl, and I'm going to use this to bleach the knots because that is the next step. And I'm just tapping that in to the frontal, trying to keep it from pushing through to the roots, but I did get some on some of the roots, and you'll see how that looks in a few seconds. I'll show you after I wash it out. I think I left it on for about 30 minutes, maybe less than 30 minutes, maybe like 20-25 minutes. Alright, so this is how the roots look right now. They are a little over bleached in some spots, like right up here, there's some bleach that bled through. You see there's like some orange spots from some bleed through, but I'm going to be putting a gloss, a dark brown gloss on so that, so I'm not really worried about that. There are still some knots that are dark, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and pick out most of them. Not a lot of them because I don't want this to look like it's patchy and bald, but I do want to make sure that we have the nicest, smoothest transition into my scalp so that it looks like I am giving scalp, okay? All right, so I'm gonna do that real quick and I will catch you at the end. Okay guys, so I am finished with the wig. I have sectioned it out so that it can be dyed. I think I'm gonna do like a dark brown, well, a medium brown with streaks. I'm not sure, I haven't figured it out yet. I do know that it's gonna get some color. After I washed it and detangled it, which was very easy to do, I'm looking at the length now, and it does look like once it stretches, it will be about 24 inches. So I was overzealous with that before. So you guys will see me dye this on my birthday get ready with me video. I'm just gonna put like little snippets in there. It's not gonna be a whole thing like I usually do because we got a lot of stuff that we're gonna do through the whole video. Before we go, I just wanted to show you, this is what came out as I was detangling and washing. That could be partly from the plucking and then partly from like just combing the really thick curls out. That's all I have for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. I left the link for this wig in the description box. So if you do want to go buy it, it's going to be my Amazon affiliate link. So if you do buy it, I will get a commission. Be sure to stay tuned because we are going to be getting this wig prepped for my birthday next week. We're gonna be doing my hair, nails. I'm gonna show you my outfit. Like, we're gonna do a whole thing for the birthday this year, okay? So be sure that you click the subscription button and the notification bell so you can know exactly when I upload and you can be a part of the glam fam. This is the most fabulous, most glamorous, middle class I gotta put that in there. Community on YouTube. I mean, some of y'all might be rich. I don't know. I'm middle class, so you know, I'm gonna stay in my lane. I'm gonna stay in my socioeconomic status. Okay. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.